Welcome to our guide on how to allow others to send you InMail on LinkedIn, especially with the latest updates. If you're looking to expand your professional network, enabling InMail messages is a great way to receive direct messages from people outside your connections. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your LinkedIn account on your PC. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Me icon. Click on it to access your profile settings. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is crucial as it contains all the privacy settings for your account. Once you're in the settings area, navigate to the Data Privacy section. Here, you'll find various options related to how you manage your information and interactions on LinkedIn. Next, locate and click on Messages. This is where you can control your messaging preferences. You'll see an option for enabling InMail messages. Click on it to turn on this feature. By enabling InMail, you allow other LinkedIn users to reach out to you directly, even if they're not in your network. It's important to note that InMail messaging is a feature available primarily for LinkedIn Premium users. If you have a basic account, consider upgrading if you want to utilize this function fully. Additionally, remember that if someone has opted not to receive InMail messages in their settings, you won't be able to message them. Once you've enabled InMail messages, you can start receiving messages from other professionals who wish to connect with you. This opens up new opportunities for networking and collaboration. To recap, here are the steps. Open LinkedIn on your PC, click on the Me icon at the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy, then navigate to Data Privacy. Click on Messages and enable InMail messaging. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your LinkedIn experience and expanding your professional connections through InMail. Thank you for watching and happy networking.